Welcome to Tuesday training. We're so excited to see that so many of you are using the advanced search. This awesome AI-powered feature allows you to pull and really query your database for all kinds of information. So a new thing that we just added to the advanced search, you get there by clicking on this link under the quick search, is the ability to search by whether a delivery date is firm. So this top section here is the AI chat. And really what this does is help you populate these different search criteria that will build up your search. If you don't want to use the chat, you can just hide it right here and you can start building up your own search criteria. I'm going to do that just to show us that we can go to master order and we can look for the delivery date firm. Estimated delivery date firm equals true. So we're now looking for only orders where we've said that this has a firm estimated delivery date. And I probably am going to want to add some more search criteria. Maybe I'm also saying that the actual delivery date equals, I'm going to say, is between, and maybe today's current date, which is July 15th and August 15th. So I'm just looking for orders where I've said it's going to be delivered. I'm estimated it be delivered between July 15th and August 15th, and that delivery date is marked as firm. So once I have that, I can click search. Unfortunately, I'm in a trial account, so you'll see nothing came up. I don't have anything that's expected to be delivered. But this is the way you'd build up the order. Of course, if this is getting a little confusing to you, you're going to use this AI chat to build up this search or report. And so you might say, show me all orders with a firm delivery date between, and then you can put in your dates. And click this, and the AI will help you to populate these so that it looks the way that you've described in your chat here above. So being able to search for that new value of whether the delivery date is firm or not is a new feature that's available for you to use right away.